Do you ever want to just dust your own ends without having to take off too much or paying a salon fee? Well, I have just the product for you. It is called the Split Ender Pro 2. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Split Ender Pro 2. I reached out to the company. You all have watched my previous video on the split ender in which it ended in a disaster. If you have not, go back and watch that video. They were so kind enough to send me out this free product to share with you all. So the Split End Pro is a cordless split end trimmer. It comes with a carry bag, instructions in 3 languages, the split ender itself, a clean brush, and a power adapter. So before using the split ender, you want to prepare your hair. You want to wash the hair to make sure that it is free from natural oils and product solution. Completely blow dry the hair thoroughly before using your Split Ender Pro. Comb the hair completely free of tangles before using the Split Ender Pro, just to avoid hair pulling. The Split Ender Pro should run through your hair nice and easy. So I know you may be asking yourself, well, Ms. Cowart, you just recently cut your hair. I did cut my own hair. If you have not watched that video, then go back and watch that video. All videos will be linked in the description. This split ender also will be linked in the description under my Amazon store. So you all know that I am trying to grow healthy, relaxed hair. So I did not get the in-betweens, like the crown area, the way that I wanted to. I feel more confident knowing that this product will get all my split ends throughout my hair. Let me know if you do your own trims. So just repeating the steps. Again, you want to select a small thin section of the hair, open the hair plate by sliding the lock onto the lock off position located underneath the unit. Select the arrow pointing to the floor and press the button. A green light will turn on, letting you know that the unit is activated and ready to go. Place the thin section of the hair on top of the hair plate, center guides, no wider than the width of the center guides and no thicker than the height of the center guides. Gently squeeze the hair plate, pressing the handle until unit activates. Treat every section of the hair 3 times and continue with the same amount of treatment 3 times per section as you begin with, to ensure an even trim all around the head of hair by the time that you're done. Hey dolls, enjoying the video so far? Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel as well as clicking the notification bell to be notified of all my many videos that I love to post. Make sure you also comment down below on any questions that you may have on any video. Now let's get back to the video. So ladies, you must get the Split Ender Pro 2. It only cuts off 1/4 inch of the hair each time, and you do not notice a difference in your length. It also leaves the hair looking shiny, feeling soft and healthy. So my next video will be of me flat ironing my hair. It has been since 2020. That has been the last time I flat ironed my hair. So with that being said, stay tuned. Look at the 2 different sides. Do you see the difference? It just looks so much healthier on this side. I'm able to easily run my fingers through my hair. My ends look great. So here I'm just showing you the amount of hair that's inside the chamber, which is not much for all of this side of my hair. And I still have my length. Again, the link to the Split Ender Pro 2 will be in the description in my Amazon store. So I'm repeating the process on the other side of my hair. You want to make sure that you change the arrow direction to the floor. Make sure you comment down below whether or not you yourself have purchased the Split Ender Pro 2 from the last video, or if you plan on purchasing it now. Now that we're all finished, we're going to check out my entire head. It amazes me every time how easy the wide tooth comb is able to run through my hair after using the Split Ender Pro 2. But before we do that, let's open up the chamber again so we can see how much hair we cut off on this side of my head. Here I'm just showing you the blade. And here's the amount of hair I had. Not bad. So remember, ladies, healthy hair starts from within. Follow the journey, you all, because you don't want to miss it.